Hello, my friend. Welcome. I'm Maya.
And I'm Carlos. We're so happy you're here today.
Today is special. Can you imagine something with me? Close your eyes for one moment. You hear music. You smell something sweet, maybe cinnamon, maybe chocolate. You feel cold air on your face, and everywhere, beautiful lights are shining.
Where are we? We're at a winter market. In English, we also say Christmas market.
Today, you and I will visit this market together. We'll learn how to talk about everything: the food, the drinks, the beautiful things you can buy, and we'll practice real English conversations.
Are you ready? Let's start our journey. But first, let's learn 5 important words. These are the magic keys to understanding everything today.
Word number 1, market. Market. A market is a place where people sell things. Repeat after me. Market.
Good. Word number 2, stall. A stall is a small shop. At the market, there are many stalls. Each stall sells different things. Let's say it together. Stall.
Perfect. Word number 3, vendor. A vendor is a person who sells things. At the market, the vendor works at the stall. Say it with me. Vendor.
Excellent. Word number 4, purchase. This is a fancy way to say buy. When you purchase something, you buy it. But we usually use simpler words in conversation. We say buy or get. Repeat. Purchase.
And our last word, number 5, festive. Festive. Festive means happy and celebratory. When a place has decorations and music and everyone is smiling, we say it's festive. Your turn. Festive.
You just learned 5 powerful words. Now you're ready to understand our story. Let me give you a mini quiz. Listen carefully.
What do we call the small shop at the market? That's right, a stall. And what do we call the person who sells things? Yes, a vendor. You're doing great.
Okay, Maya, let's imagine we are at the winter market right now. Can you describe what you see?
Oh, wow. I can see so many things. There is a big tree in the center. The tree has hundreds of small lights. The lights are white and gold. It looks beautiful.
Yes, it's very pretty. I also see many people. The market is crowded. That means there are lots and lots of people here.
Did you hear that word? Crowded. Say it with me. Crowded. Good. Now, Carlos, I have a question. What should we do first?
I feel cold. Do you feel cold too?
Yes, I do. My hands are cold, and my nose is cold too.
Then let's get something hot to drink. Look over there. I see a drink stall.
Perfect idea. Let's go there. Okay, we're here now. What drinks do they have?
I see many options. They have hot chocolate, they have spiced tea, and they have apple cider.
Let me teach you something. When we order at a market or cafe, we can say, I'll have, or can I get some? These are very useful phrases. Repeat after me. I'll have hot chocolate. Great. Now say, can I get some tea? Perfect.
Maya, what will you order?
I think I'll have hot chocolate with cream on top. What about you?
I'll get the apple cider. It smells so good. Okay, let's order now. Excuse me.
Hello. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have one hot chocolate with cream, please?
And I'll have one apple cider, please. Of course. That's $7, please. Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the market.
Did you notice? We said, here you are, when we gave the money. This is polite, and we always say thank you. This is delicious. My chocolate is warm and sweet. How is your cider, Carlos?
It's amazing. It tastes like apples and cinnamon. Now my hands feel warm too.
Good. Shall we walk around and look at the stalls?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, my friend, let's stop for a moment. We just practiced ordering something to drink. This is very important when you travel or visit new places.
That's right. Let me show you the simple steps for ordering. Step 1. Get attention. Say, excuse me, or just say hi. Step 2. State what you want. Say, I'll have, or can I get some? Step 3. Say please at the end. Step 4. Pay and say thank you.
These 4 steps work everywhere at restaurants, at shops, at markets. Let's practice together. I'll be the vendor. You can order from me.
Listen and repeat after Maya says each sentence. Ready?
Say, excuse me. Now say, can I have some tea, please? And finally say, thank you.
Excellent work. You're getting better and better. Now let's continue our story at the market. This time we'll speak at natural speed. Don't worry if it feels fast. Just listen and learn the rhythm of a real conversation.
Carlos, look at this stall. They're selling handmade ornaments. These are decorations for Christmas trees.
Oh wow, there are so many. I see glass balls, wooden stars, little angels. Which one do you like?
I really like this silver snowflake. It's elegant and simple. What about you?
Hmm, I like this red cardinal bird. My grandmother loves cardinals. This would be a perfect gift for her.
That's sweet. Let's ask the vendor how much they cost. Excuse me? Yes. Hello? Are you interested in the ornaments?
Yes, how much is this bird ornament?
That one is $12. It's hand-painted, so each one is unique. And the snowflake? The snowflake is $10.
Okay, can we buy both, please?
Of course, I'll wrap them carefully for you. That'll be $22 total. Perfect. Here you go. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
You too. Maya, do you smell that? Something smells incredible.
Oh, yes. It's coming from that food stall over there. I think they're roasting nuts.
Let's go check it out. I'm getting hungry anyway.
Look, they have candied almonds, roasted chestnuts, and sweet pecans. Everything looks delicious.
The almonds are calling my name. Should we get a small bag to share?
Good idea. And maybe some chestnuts too? I haven't had chestnuts in years.
Done. Excuse me, can we get one bag of candied almonds and one bag of roasted chestnuts?
Sure. The almonds are $5 and the chestnuts are 6.
Here's $11. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
These almonds are perfect. Sweet, crunchy, and still warm.
Try a chestnut. They're soft and have this earthy, sweet flavor. So good.
You're right. This is the perfect winter snack. Hey, look over there. They're selling handmade candles.
Oh, I love candles. Let's go see. Wow, these are beautiful. They have different scents: pine, cinnamon, vanilla, peppermint.
The pine one smells like a real Christmas tree. This would be nice for my apartment.
I'm torn between cinnamon and vanilla. They're both so cozy. Those 2 scents mix really well together, actually. Some customers buy both and burn them at the same time. Oh, that's a great idea. I'll take both then, and Carlos wants the pine one.
Yes, please. How much are they?
They're $8 each, but if you buy 3, I can do all 3 for $20.
That's a good deal. We'll take them. Okay, so now we have ornaments, nuts, and candles. I'd say this has been a very successful market visit.
Agreed. But wait, I see one more thing. Over there, they're selling hot pretzels. Want to get one before we leave?
How can I say no to that? Let's go.
All right, my friend, now it's your turn to practice. I'm going to say some useful phrases from our market visit. After I say each one, you repeat it out loud. Speaking out loud is very important for learning. Ready?
Let's start with simple greetings in questions.
Excuse me,
How much is this?
can I have one, please?
I'll take it.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Great. Now let's practice describing things.
This looks delicious.
It smells amazing.
This is perfect.
I really like this one.
Now some longer sentences. Don't worry, just try your best.
What do you recommend?
Can we get one to share?
This would be a perfect gift.
Do you have this in a different color?
I'm looking for something special.
Excellent work. Did you say all of those out loud? If not, go back and try again. Speaking is the best way to practice.
Now let's try a quick mini conversation. I'll be the vendor. You repeat what Carlos says. Hello, what can I get you?
Hi, can I have some hot chocolate, please?
Of course, that's $5.
Here you are. Thank you.
Perfect. You just completed a real conversation in English. I'm so proud of you.
Okay, my friend, let's review everything we learned today. We covered a lot.
First, we learned 5 important words. Do you remember them? Market, a place where people sell things. Stall, a small temporary shop. Vendor, the person who sells things. Purchase, to buy something. Festive, happy and celebratory.
We also learned many other useful words. Crowded, very full of people. Ornament, a decoration for a Christmas tree. Handmade, made by a person, not a machine. Roasted, cooked with heat until crispy. Candle, a wax object that gives light when burned.
Most importantly, we practiced useful phrases for shopping and ordering. For ordering, can I have? I'll have. Can I get? For asking prices, how much is this? What's the price? How much are they? For buying, I'll take it. Can we get 1, 2, or 3? Here you are, when giving money.
And remember, always say please and thank you. It's polite and people appreciate it.
Now, here's your homework challenge. Try to use 3 phrases from today in a real situation this week. It could be at a cafe, at a store, anywhere. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Before we finish, let's talk about winter markets around the world. This is interesting.
Winter markets started in Germany over 700 years ago. In German, they're called Weihnachtsmarkt. Try saying that. Weihnachtsmarkt.
Today, you can find winter markets in many countries. In England, they're very popular in cities like London and Manchester.
In the United States, big cities like New York, Chicago, and Philadelphia have beautiful markets too.
Each country has slightly different traditions. In Germany, people drink Glühwein, that's hot spiced wine.
In England, they love mulled cider and mince pies. And in America, hot chocolate is the favorite.
One fun fact, many winter markets use special cups for hot drinks. You pay a deposit for the cup and you can return it later to get your money back. Or you can keep the cup as a souvenir.
That's right. And here's a useful English phrase. When something is very popular during the holidays, we say it's a holiday tradition.
For example, going to the winter market is a holiday tradition for my family.
Wow, look at everything you learned today. You should feel very proud of yourself.
You learned new vocabulary, you practiced real conversations, you repeated phrases out loud. That's excellent progress.
Learning English takes time and practice. Every day you study, you get a little bit better, and we're here to help you on this journey.
Before you go, we have a question for you. Write your answer in the comments. Have you ever visited a winter market or Christmas market? Where was it? What did you buy?
If you haven't visited one yet, tell us, what would you want to buy at a winter market? We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
And now, here's something exciting. In our next lesson, we're going to visit a cozy cafe in winter. We'll learn how to order coffee, pastries, and how to have a friendly conversation with the barista. You won't want to miss it.
So make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll know exactly when the new video is ready.
If this lesson helped you, please click the like button. It helps other learners find our videos too.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. We believe in you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you very soon in the next lesson.
Goodbye, my friend.
Goodbye. Stay warm and happy.